Hey, so you're a content creator and wondering how to highlight the mouse cursor? There's lots of free software out there to do the job, but recently, Microsoft added this functionality directly into Windows 10. Go to Settings. Type Mouse. Select mouse pointer size. Drag the slider to the right. Click on the button. Select a color. Close the dialog. Voila! Now you have a nice big purple mouse pointer. To reset, go back to Settings. Select Change mouse pointer size. Drag the slider to the left. Select a white cursor. That's it. Hope you liked the video. See you next time.